Hello guys, welcome back to Stalkbae. We are back again with another video. And in today's video, we will show you 6 shoes that you should definitely try on and to fill your shoe cabinet. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. First up, we have the Knot Me Up flats. These beautiful pink flats give you a breezy feeling that you can flaunt around during the summer. These flats have a cute synthetic suede finish that you can show off on all types of casual outfits. Secondly, we have the classy buckle brown flats. These thick brown flats can be paired with your classiest outfits. The classy suede finish to these flats along with its buckle design allows you to make a fashion statement on your next excursion. For the third pair, we have cute. Yes, only cute. That's all you can say about these adorable flats. These flats can allow you to look your casual best. The neutral tone can enable you to style these with any type of outfit as it would just complement your outfit. Next up are these pretty mauve pink striped heels. These are some of the classiest heels around. These pretty and adorable pair of heels can give you a perfect complement to the next brunch outfit. Enjoy a bunch of mimosas while you flaunt these light and fashionable heels. Penultimately, we have the open-toed queen heels. These pair of heels will make you look like a queen that you are. Pull off your best sexy look with these shiny metallic heels. These heels will make your sexy party outfit complete while giving you a comfort of a queen. Lastly, we have the bubble bow blue heels. Become a Disney princess with these next pair of heels. These blue heels with a pink cute bow can give you the ability to be your cute self. While this pair can't be styled with every outfit, but it will go well with your cute outfits. So that's all for today's video. We would be coming up with more such content. But before that, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and do press the bell icon for the latest updates.